Welcome to the Mamelodi Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website www.mamelodi10shopi.co.za. This is Mamelodi Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, my brother. How's it? My sister. How are you, my sister?
What is it? There's one thing for you today. You lam tutu.
Abe khalo go tsana go bolela no go fa maika a bolele.
I lam tutu emun.
Yeah.
In fact, talk with this one. Chiefs, thank you for to draw the Sundowns, the biggest team in Africa. Africa, not in South Africa.
You're my rubber start.
Ukile peyile le. Neke munyakala, neke to hothola nyana. Ka bjuro, ka bjuro ke akwen. Ke tlo etela ka sana make tafa.
No problem. Fix vapor up here.
Ke to fix. Yeah, Kosi. Ra le lewisa go draw the Sundowns.
Yeah.
Sundowns. We are not supposed to draw with this team. You know very well. Last minute. Sure. It's all a good mugwal.
Yeah.
Yo, I was like, okay, my Chiefs this var. Mudimu var like ajegu a lot no loser.
Ma win.
My Chiefs ba win 1-1 ngam kwebele lang. Sundowns lose the 1-1. And then for now, moving forward, guys, Chiefs, this for you guys. Ish, I just keep saying, Mara, l'improve. Le team ena le starts a bit. Not a one, not this one.
Yeah.
Say two. That's all.
Yeah.
Mara what?
We are here and we know the story.
Okay. Yeah. Kopelo to bolela nonsense mboto sale Sundowns. Eta one. Kopelo to bolela. Yeah, ke minta ke nyakala ke re. Ke ba go na arbetana usanda. No, wena di man. Ke kopelo to bolela nonsense are. In the last 7 years, Chiefs are just Sundowns ni.
Are ke ba jele last year 2025
ke bolela ka league.
Mo league ke join Amansa renew you.
Wa bana ke yona ntse go botsa ma Chiefs they don't listen. Move. Okay, utlala nertla league ne. In the last 7 years, kinning nonsense e tshwantsang karabe ka na Chiefs is a just Sundowns 0. Are
yeah, no, it's fine.
Okay. Ona bakwata wona. So heribele football. Mu football ara tsono kwata. Go ka tla ona le enga. Mfethu, wa sikhona hale. Nna ka lona ma football, we know football. But ba tsona lena re ba fa chance re ba bolele. So there's one ke mo fe chance a bolele. No mar tshantse ke mo happy. A easy lena hore next time asa nna personally mo dilong tse obvious. Hona ba no Chiefs da sanga ya Sundowns in the last 7 years. So now that's what asa will I will nonsense. That's what I will nonsense. Man ne gore I will then 7 years there's no way re ka kiwa. Ngasa gule damane e sharp.
Alright, yeah.
Ngasa gule damane ne ke mo fa platform.
O tsamaile wena bolela ka game ya hao.
Wa wena mo protect. Ne ke nyago ya address. Pero batho ba tswana le bale.
E tsamo yena se tsa sal teng.
Wala tsamaile. Batho ba tswana le bale.
Yeah.
A gre na sal teng.
Okay, yeah.
Batho ba tswana le ena. O wa fe that thing or awarabe. And hello wa palla. A shift. U shiftila ke lambo the last 7 years 0. So sha mngobo. Arwele ka ntwa ka je. Ke le Chiefs. I'm happy for you guys to draw the Sundowns. Let's start it. And then get well. No problem. Arwele ko Masandawan. Retro ile ka jone. And ona Masandawan ama serious. I love the Sundowns. This thing ya Masandowns. Gents, lambona ke very no star. 0.
Yeah.
No pressure. No pressure. Again. So guys, hore motho a tsaba stadium are ish aka parasta ka jego tse pedi. Skipper saka ke sakale. That thing guys, na for rena matawana a lo right ro etsala. Chiefs ina star. At all 0. Rena re win star tse pedi malo. But okusala gore ke nyaka Masandawana ba ska tse a ntshwa bona ba etsa gore ke tshabo ya stadium because of batho ba bere stars geremcha wa bona jo ngata ka gera 1999 ya 1970
ya this spring
ya this spring ya diador ngata ka yona motho wa ana yona a bere stars tse pedi sa no mara arsenal diador
the pressure ya
la ntswana a re tweleng pressure madawana a re feyeng Sundowns ya rena and for Makosi good luck for this league ne mara le tsorete that you must know
no
ba le ba o iutswa
ra le wa re le makhosi
ba le
bye bye